Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your Notion sidebar. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to manage your Notion sidebar. The first thing to do is to open the notion.so and log into your accounts, which of course I have done right here. Now, open or close the sidebar. To toggle the sidebar, go ahead and click on the three-line menu at the top left corner of the Notion window. Okay. Which we have here. So it's pretty much two-line, not three-line. So go ahead and click on the two-line menu at the top left corner of the Notion window. Now these will expand or collapse the sidebar. That's collapsed. Head over to menu and open it. That has been expanded. Now the next thing to do is to organize pages in the sidebar. Now you can add new pages by clicking here, create a new page. Once you click on that, now you can add a new page here. Okay, and then the next thing is to create sub pages. Go ahead and drag and drop pages under other pages to create sub pages, or go ahead and use the /page command within an existing page to create a sub page. For example, I'm going to click on this three dots icon and move these to trash. So this is a page that I've created, an existing page. So if I want to add other pages under it, I can just go ahead and click on this, let's say read only, and I'm going to drag and drop, and that has been added there. Or if I don't want to drag and drop, I'm just going to click on // and select page. And once I select page, I'm not going to be able to add a new page under to do. I can go ahead and click on to do, and I have these my pages under to do. The next thing to do is to rename pages. And how do you rename pages? Go ahead and click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots icon, then next to each page on the page where you have rename, go ahead and select rename and change the page title from there. Now you can also add to favorites. How do you do that? Hover over a page name which you have in there and go ahead and click on the star icon. So go ahead and hover over to change a page name, rather click on the page name and head over to the star icon that is at the top right corner and click on it. So once you click on it, that is it. It's been started to your favorite. Now once you start to your favorite, it allows for quick access. The next thing to do is to move pages. And the first thing on how to move pages is to drag and drop, which I showed you how to do that. And just drag and drop, or you can right click on the page. And once you right click on the page, you're going to see an option that says move to. Now click on move to, and once you click on move to, select the new location and your page will be moved if you don't want to drag and drop. Then you can also use the toggle sections. Of course, use arrow icons next to each icon, which include favorite, workspace, to expand or collapse those sections. If you want to, that's the arrow icon in there. So expand, collapse. You can also click on the three dots and of course hide, move to trash, and you can copy link, duplicate, and just use any of these options in here, or you can just use the three dots and you can use add to favorite from here if you don't want to click, if you don't want to open the page and select add to favorite from the options in there. That's it. You can also use the search filter, which is here. So use the search bar at the top side of the sidebar to quickly find pages and contents within your workspace. And of course, you can also switch workspaces. If you're part of multiple workspaces, click on the workspace name at the top of the sidebar to switch between them. You can also access recent pages. The recent section shows a list of pages that you have recently visited or edited. So just go ahead and click on the page you've recently visited or edited. So click on the page here to quickly return to it. Then of course, if you have shared pages or workspaces, you'll find them in the sidebar under sections like shared with me. And that's it. You've learned how to effectively manage and organize your Notion sidebar. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.